Kindergartners, it is going to be a fun day for you. There is tons of stuff to do, but I know you're going to do some, then take a break, then do some, then take a break, right? That's the best way to work. So today is week 6, day 2, and I have it down as April 30th. That's the day that I've been doing. I've been doing one every day since we had to come to our houses and have school. So, but if you're not on that day, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. The first thing you're going to do is listen to a book called Spring is Here. Boy, it certainly is. And then you're going to rainbow write your words. I asked you guys to kind of switch to your sight words if you can find them from school, which are on the orange or either bright orange. There's a bright orange one and a bright pink one. So whichever one is words you haven't done yet, just pick one page and do those words this week. If you don't know where those are, they would have been in one of the folders that came home. If you don't know where those are, then stick to the ones in your packet. It's okay. It's not a big deal. But if you can get to those kindergarten ones, they're a little bit harder, the ones we were doing at school. So I really like those, but it's up to you and what you can find. You're going to do the rainbow writing, then watch the workout with the word family. So you're going to be doing lots of squats. Get those legs ready. And then you're going to practice your double E work principle. I'm just going to turn to the page so I'd be right at it. You guys are going to write the words for the picture shown and pick 2 to write a sentence about. So we've got bee, jeep, feet, seed, it's pointing to the seed, tree, and peak. I'm guessing that's peak. So you pick one of those and then you draw it again down here. And then like if you wanted to tell about the seed, I planted a seed in my garden. That could be one. But you're on your own and you have to write it and don't forget the spaces. In fact, I'm going to go over this one time because a lot of you have been doing great, but then some of you have been forgetting some of the periods or the spaces. So really work on that. And that first letter says, I can start with a capital letter. Woo woo. I can use finger spaces. Woo woo woo. I can use punctuation right there on the end. You can even make the sound or that's a fun sound to make. I can use lowercase letters. These are not capital letters in there. The first one is, but the rest of most likely are going to be your lowercase letters. So that is the assignment for the reading writing part. And then let me go back to where we were. You're going to watch another video. Let's see what it's called. So you're going to write about the weather today. So tell me about the weather. Is it sunny? Is it rainy on a different day? And who knows what it's going to be like tomorrow? And the weatherman says it's going to be sunny, but you know how that goes. So write about the weather today, just 3 things about that one thing. Watch Addition for Kids, Addition Song. It's a fun one. You're going to like that one where they add together. Count to 120 and write the numbers as high as you can go. I wouldn't go to 100 today, but if you can go to 30, then you're rocking it. See if you can get to 30 today. I do know that you guys can write higher, but we have a lot on the list to do today. Activity, measure 10 things around your house. And you can use a ruler or a tape measure. I know that you had a little, I think it was a centimeter ruler back in the beginning. You can use that or use something around your house. Even if you don't have a tape measure, you can use like a little tiny block and measure something tiny. Boy, maybe I could use this to measure my phone. It's about 10, 11, 12, 13. It's about 14 blocks. So you can use what they call non-standard measurement, or you can just use a tape measure. That'd be fun too. But ask mom or dad or aunt or uncle or grandpa or grandma, whoever's house you're at, to see if they have a tape measure or a ruler. Those are fun things to use. Okay, so then where are we? We're measuring things, and then you're going to do the printable butterfly edition. Oh my goodness, they gave you some butterflies down here to cut out. You could even use those to measure. If you wanted to, you could use that to measure something. How many butterflies? That would be cool. But you can also use these to do your math problems. You don't have to. If you've got this down, you can just do 2 plus 2. Oh, you know what that is. 2. Let's do more. Well, write the answer down there, a 4. If you're knowing them pretty quickly, and you should be now, first graders, they're going to kind of know that stuff. And they're going to be able to use things if they need them. But most of the time, they're going to say 9 and 1 more. Oh, I know what that is. If I have 9 and I get 1 more, that's 9 then. 1. So we've got 10 up here and 4 up here already. I've already helped you. So that'll be an easy one for you to do today. I just did 2 of them for you. I think that's it for today. You guys have an awesome day. Enjoy your family, enjoy your fun, and enjoy this time because next year I hope we're back at school in a classroom. But you guys have to make sure you come down and visit me, right? Don't just walk by my door. You see me in there, come on in. I'm not sure if we'll be able to hug. I was going to say, give me a hug. Maybe an air hug. Give me an air hug. Here, I'm giving you one now. There you go. Have a great day, guys.